So guys, I'm going to be working on this 2011 Volvo XC60. I got a problem with the windshield washer. Basically, the windshield washer nozzle, there are two nozzles, driver's side and the passenger side, and both of them are clogged up and it's not giving out the windshield liquid. So I'm going to be replacing those two nozzles, and also there is a T connector here and there is a L connector over there on that end on the passenger side. I'm going to be changing both, and I've got the parts from the Volvo. It's a Volvo deal, original Volvo manufacturer's part. This is the what's PVD day. This one is basically the nozzle, and this one here is the connector. So I'm going to be changing. So let me start off. Basically disconnecting this small tiny holes. Basically I can use a screwdriver to push it out. So it pretty easily comes out. So you can just push it out, and you can see that came off. And this is the T connector right here, and again I'm going to disconnect on this side also. Basically I'm going to push it out right here. It's a little bit difficult. Let me try this way. Probably I should be able to. What I'll do is I'm going to first open up this one right here. This should come off. Okay, so I got this out, right? So I have to basically take this one out to put a new connector, T connector. So this should come off. So it will come off. This one is pretty tough. Okay. Oh, it's completely sealed. Come back to this. So now I'm going to remove oblong shaped rubber, almost like a gasket, and this comes off, should come off. Just have to pull it out and it comes out, and once you get that out, so, and this is the piece you can see. So basically now I can remove the nozzle. Nozzle is on the top of the hood, so there is this little latch mechanism there, so I'm going to use a screwdriver to push that latch. So before that I can open this, but I can always take that tube later. Let me take the nozzle out. Right above the rubber hose. Oh yeah, got it out. Okay, this is how it looks like. This is the nozzle right here. This is the one old nozzle which is completely blocked. So this is the one I'm going to be replacing. So let me take this this rubber piece out. Yes, kind of tight. Basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to take this piece out and put a brand new nozzle. So basically so basically it came out. So that's the piece which I'm going to still use that, but this is the nozzle which is bad, and I'm going to change that nozzle. Okay, I'll get the new nozzle out, and okay, this is the new nozzle. Okay, this is the new nozzle. I'm going to put this this tube. Okay, so I put the tube in, and basically I'm going to put this nozzle. This is the new nozzle back over here, and when I push it in, it should basically uh, well, it should be done from outside. So basically when I put it in, it's gonna go through the whole thing. But let me change the angle. Okay, you can see it now. So this is the one I'm going to basically put the nozzle in this hole, and I'll push it in so you can hear the sound click. So it's clicked. Okay. So now I'm going to be connecting the, let's see, where did I keep it? Okay. So I need to basically put a new T connector. This is the new T connector. Let me try to see whether it can be even open. Yeah, it's probably sealed. Okay, let me go ahead and connect this. Let me connect this. Before that, I want to put this. This is oblong shape. This rubber gasket. It's gonna go. It's gonna go over. Okay, I'm almost there. Okay. Okay, so basically, gotta lock it in. Push it in. Should lock it in. Let's turn the other way around. Okay. Okay.